Wilmington Grand Prix day one, at day one. Something like that. We're going to tie that in. What's up, peeps? Thanks for joining me. My name's Damon Warren, and this is Day One Adventures. And today's adventure, we're at the Wilmington Grand Prix. This is the first day. It's a 3-day event. This is called the Monkey Hill Time Trials. And this is the party. It gets us started. First off is the Urban Bike Project. Turn this bike race into a block party. Yes, sir. Commuter Challenge, which is a non-profit organization providing bikes and maintenance to people. They do donations and it's a challenge. They load up their bikes, they get in costumes, they get donations, and they ride the course. So it's for a very good cause. So the music was by Too Tall Slim. They played some original music and they did some cover songs. Also, you had some local vendors that were there. There was plenty of food. There was even a beer garden, so if you wanted to buy some beer, a lot of people bring out their blankets. And it's right inside Brandywine Park, so there's plenty of things for the kids to do if they're not into watching a race. And the real excitement happens at the end of the race because you get this hill that's on cobblestone. So the total course is 3.2 miles. So it's a rough ride. And I really handed to them doing the commuter challenge. When they finish, there's this group, best I can say, are the Vikings. These are the Vikings. So the Vikings are there and they go to cheer you and they're hitting the bells and just giving you the energy to finish this race. So the Vikings are just a part of this event. And so mad shout out to the Vikings, and they just pump everybody up. Now, one of the categories is for older peoples. So a friend of mine was in the race. I didn't even know he was in the race. He did it last year for the first time, and he finished it this year. Kudos, man. That was just amazing. I rode the course on my one wheel, and I got tired.
I love it. Come on, Wilmington, help them out!
Come on, you got it! Get it, get it, get it!
14 in. Yo! Richard Doltman wrapping up the day. Way to go.
Way to Rich!
Just for this.
Good job, man. Give you a second to catch your breath before we get a pic. Can we get a picture?
Sure, yeah.
All right. Everybody needs their support.
That's right, that's my
You're one of the most important people around here. All right, I got the video going. So I'm gonna take a selfie.
All right, yeah, I've seen them selfies.
So this is your second time doing it?
Yeah, that's the first one.
Did it feel better the second time? I thought about
Yeah, the bike was better, but I'm heavier.
Oh, you're heavier
than
than
last year, yeah.
Man, you did it. Does it look as bad as it looks?
It's okay. At the end, right before you get to the hill, I slowed down so I could catch my breath. Because if I get to the bottom of the hill and I'm out of breath,
You're done. Okay. All right, here we go. Awesome.
Good job, baby.
Hey, you did all the hard work. One thing I did is point a camera at people. So all in all, it's a great, fun thing to do. This year, the weather was perfect. I had a lot of fun, lots of laugh, great music, great vibes, good time. Hey, before you leave, do me a favor. Hit the like button. Subscribe if it's your first time here. And until next video, remember, take care of each other. Peace out, and I'll see you all soon.